Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make frijoles puercos. So if you want to learn how to make this recipe, then just keep on watching. So first we're going to need is manteca, butter, beef chorizo, Spanish olives, sliced jalapenos, and mozzarella cheese. Okay, so next you're going to blend your beans. You can buy the beans that already come in a can for a faster method, but I boiled mine with 2 garlic cloves and half a white onion. Make sure you add juice to the blender so it doesn't come out all chunky. Now on medium heat, add the manteca. I used 3 scoops using a wooden spoon. Now once that's melted down, I add 1 wooden spoon of butter and let this melt as well. Next you add the whole chorizo and break it down and let that cook up a little bit until you see it turn darker and you get these little chunks. Then you add your beans and mix it all up using circular motions up until your beans blend in completely with the other ingredients. Until you get one solid color, which will be the color of the beans. Make sure you keep blending or else your beans will start sticking to the bottom. Now you're going to start adding everything in. We're starting off with the Spanish olives. Add as many as you desire. I personally don't like them, but they're really just there for the flavor. Next, add the jalapeno slices and preferably some of the carrots. Again, add as much as you desire that you feel would be enough. Also, you're going to add jalapeno juice. By doing that, it'll help it give it more flavor. And lastly, add the shredded mozzarella cheese until the top of the pot is coated. The cheese will give it so much flavor as well. Mix it in until it's completely melted and it comes to a complete boil. You have to keep your eye on the pot and don't stop mixing or your beans will fastly stick to the bottom. That completes today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below telling me what you think or if you create this recipe. Let me know what kind of content you guys would like to see and I'll try my best to make it happen. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.